Hello everyone, welcome to the Print Haven. My name is Enny, and in this video, we'll be talking about print-on-demand product ideas for 2024. If you're interested in this, then stay tuned. Hi guys, welcome back. If you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the bell for more amazing content. Today, we're diving into the top print-on-demand product ideas for 2024. Whether you're looking for unique products for loved ones or products to sell in your own business, when it comes to print-on-demand products, we've got you covered here at the Print Haven. Let's get started. Print-on-demand has revolutionized the way we create and sell customized products. With no upfront inventory costs and endless customization options, it is easier than ever to offer unique and personalized products. In this video, we're going to review some personalized products and also their categories when it comes to print-on-demand product ideas you should consider for 2024. Here are some of the top print-on-demand product ideas you should consider for 2024. First off, custom apparel products like t-shirts, hoodies, and hats are always popular choices. With print-on-demand, you can create unique designs tailored to your audience's interests. Whether it's funny quotes, artistic graphics, or personalized names, custom apparel makes a great gift for any occasion and is one of the top product ideas here for us at the Print Haven. So let's dive into number 2. Next, we have home decor. Now, let's talk about home decor. Personalized pillows, personalized blankets, and also wall art can add that special touch to any home. These items are not only functional, but also stylish and meaningful. Think about offering seasonal designs, family portraits, or inspirational quotes to make these gifts even more special. If you love home decor, then this is the best print-on-demand category of products that you should go into. Now, let's talk about accessories. Accessories are another fantastic print-on-demand product option. Custom phone cases, tote bags, and mugs are versatile gifts that everyone can use. Personalize them with fun patterns, names, or even photos to create a truly unique gift. And you can always sell these items to people who love them. Stationery and office supplies. So if you're looking to go into print on demand, you can also get stationery and office supplies. For those who love to stay organized, custom stationery and office supplies are perfect. From notebooks to planners and even pens with personalized designs, they can make daily tasks more enjoyable. These are great for students, professionals, and anyone who loves to jot down their thoughts. Another print-on-demand product idea will be jewelry and accessories. Jewelry and accessories like custom bracelets, necklaces, keychains are also trending. Yes, these small yet meaningful products can be perfect gifts personalized with names, special dates, or special messages. They are perfect for anniversaries, birthdays, and other significant milestones. So if you want to start a print-on-demand business, you should look at getting into those. Eco-friendly products. Eco-friendly products are becoming increasingly popular. Custom reusable water bottles, tote bags, and bamboo products, just like the ones I have here, are not only sustainable, but also stylish. These gifts appeal to the environmentally conscious consumers, which make a positive impact in the environment. Now that you know all the top product ideas for print on demand, all you have to do now is get any of these products here at the Print Haven and begin to promote your print on demand business. If you're selling print on demand products, it's essential for you to market them effectively. You can use social media to showcase your designs, offer special promotions, and engage with your audience. High quality visuals and customer testimonials can also help boost sales on your social media promotion. All right, guys, there you have it. Now you have learned the top print-on-demand product ideas for 2024. Whether you are shopping for loved ones or looking to expand your business, these customizable products are sure to impress. What's your favorite print-on-demand gift idea or product? Let us know in the comment section below. If you have enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more great content from the Print Haven. Thanks for watching. My name is Enny. I will see you in the next video.